In this guide, I'll show you how to use Discord on PS5. So the first thing you want to do is press the PlayStation button on your controller and select Gamebase at the bottom. Then scroll down to the Discord icon and select a link account, because we're going to be connecting your PlayStation Network account to your Discord account. So select a link at the bottom and it's going to generate a QR code, which you can either scan with your phone or open up a web browser and go to discord.com/activate. Now, once you've done that, you want to enter in the code that was generated on your PlayStation 5 screen and input it on this website where you may have to sign into your Discord account. Then you simply need to authorize this and you'll be all set up. So now come back to your PS5 and you should see your Discord account here. So simply close out of this section and come back to where we were before. And here you'll have the option of doing a direct voice chat with your friends, or you can join any of the servers that you're a part of and join the voice channels, and you'll be able to start voice chats with your friends there. This guide was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.